Do this once, and everyone will be asking for the recipe. This method is the hidden hit of the season. Start by cutting the cucumbers in half lengthwise. You'll need about 8 small cucumbers. Lightly salt them and place them on a preheated grill or sandwich press. Grill until they are lightly charred and tender. Carefully remove them from the grill. Once they've cooled slightly, cut them into smaller pieces. Squeeze 1 clove of garlic into a small bowl to add a bit of sharpness. Add chopped chili pepper for extra kick. Also add chopped fresh dill, which really brings the flavors together. Season everything with salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze in lime juice for a lightly sour, refreshing note. Drizzle in some olive oil for a silky texture. Mix well. In a large bowl, add the chopped grilled cucumbers. Add diced Greek-style cheese with its salty, creamy flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Pour in the prepared dressing. Also add pomegranate seeds for color and a fruity twist. Mix everything with a spoon. Done. A light, aromatic, and fresh salad. Perfect for summer get-togethers with friends. Surprising in both flavor and simplicity.